Introduction: How solid waste and hazardous waste management are conducted in Asian region. The country that have been chosen in this mini project is Singapore. The amount of solid waste is increasing following the Singapore's growing populations. Solid waste management in Singapore begin at homes and businesses. Singapore used incineration to reduce the volume of solid waste. From incineration, energy is recovered to generate electricity. Ashes residues from the incineration process are sent to Tuas Marine Transfer Station for disposal. Next is significant. From this mini project, we learned that waste management has numerous advantages. Awareness campaigns are established to push the practices as far and wide as possible. Waste management keep the environmental clean and safe. Proper management of waste boosts human health.
For this mini project, we have listed down 3 objectives. The first objective is to collect data about solid and hazardous waste management conducted in Asian region, which is Singapore, to identify how solid and hazardous waste are managed in Singapore, able to identify the similarities and differences in terms of policies, management structures, and waste action conduct. For this mini project, the related information is about solid waste and hazardous waste. Solid waste is generated by human activities. The examples of solid waste are household garbage, food leftovers, and plastic waste, while hazardous waste is generated from many sources. The examples of hazardous waste are like the use of pesticide, basic chemical manufacturing, and petroleum refineries. So, this is how the process of methodology looks like.
Next is about comparison of information in Singapore. The National Environment Agency (NEA) plans, develops, and administers Singapore's solid and hazardous waste management systems. The management of solid and hazardous waste is governed by the Environmental Public Health Act. Second, Environmental Public Health General Waste Collection Regulations. Third, Environmental Public Health General Waste Disposal Facilities Regulations. And fourth, Environmental Public Health Toxic Industrial Waste Regulations. In Singapore, they have used 4 ways to manage solid and hazardous waste, which are: first, reduce and reuse. They avoid excessive consumption and promote efficient use of resources. Second, recycle. They recover valuable materials from waste and turn waste into resources and adopt viable and efficient recycling methods for environmental sustainability. Third, waste treatment. Adopt innovative technologies to recover energy efficiently and minimize land take and ash residue. Lastly, landfill and ash management. They turn ash residue into a resource and maximize landfill lifespan. Next, management structures. There are 2 types of urban waste, which are organic and inorganic. Next is solid waste management hierarchy. First is reduction of source and reuse. Second, composting and recycling. Third, recovery of energy for treatment and disposal. This is waste action conducted by Singapore. First, government efforts. Singapore plans to reduce the waste sent to Pulau Semakau by 30% each day before 2030. Second, recycling e-waste. By 2021, an extended producer responsibility framework for e-waste will be launched. Third, reducing packaging waste. Large hotels and malls will have to separate their food waste from all other trash to be especially treated and converted to other uses, such as animal feed and or compost for landscaping.
In conclusion, waste management can be defined as the collection, removal, processing, and disposal of materials considered waste. Waste management is an important issue that needs governmental action quickly.